Select any option 1 or 2 or 3 or all from next slides. Wealth is waiting for your family. Make your money work for your family. Select your best deal from open plots, which are HMDA or DTCP with RERA. Luxury plots, which are duplex or triplex. Premium flats, 2 BHK or 3 BHK from gated community. Our star projects are Bangalore Highway, Mumbai Highway, Warangal Highway, Srisailam Highway, Vijayawada Highway, Nagarjuna Sagar Highway. Bank loans are available. Book now. Book now. Plant wealth for your kids' future. Red Sandalwood Farmland, the gift that grows with them. Our star projects are Chittoor District, Anantapur District, Prakasham Districts, Nellore District and Kadapa District in Andhra Pradesh. Book now. EMI facility available. Book now. Join, advise, earn. Join as an advisor today. Turn your free time into boundless income. Leading corporate real estate company under massive expansion. This is your chance to work a team that is excited to train and lead you to success from the bottom up. Looking for positive and dynamic associates. Opportunity for insurance agents, retired employees, working women, teachers or students, unemployed persons. Inviting zero investment business opportunity. Required documents: Aadhaar card, PAN card, email ID, mobile number. Contact for instant job confirmation 799 571 3990. Join now. Join now. Contact for further details A. Pavan Shivakumar, Wealth Advisor, mobile number 91 799 571 3990.